Thinking of renting out a tourist accommodation in Aruba? Whether you're a resident or non-resident, you must register your short-term rental to stay legal and compliant. We're breaking the registration process down into 3 simple steps. Let's get started. The first step is to register your business with the Chamber of Commerce, if applicable. If you're an individual renting out your primary residence, this step does not apply to you. Non-residents and those operating as a business entity must register with the Aruba Chamber of Commerce. Business registration requires a valid ID or passport for sole proprietors, partners and directors, plus a registration form from the Chamber of Commerce website. Access the registration form after creating an account on the Aruba Chamber of Commerce website. A utility bill, property deed or rental agreement is required as proof of business address. For partnerships or corporations, provide company structure details and pay a registration fee, which varies by the amount invested in the business. After registration, you'll receive a certificate required for tax registration with the Aruba Tax Department, Departamento de Impuesto. Individuals, legal entities and partnerships must register their short-term rental with the tax department to obtain a personal number, similar to a tax ID. You can access the registration form on the website and download the one that applies to you. You are required to download the form, fill it in capital letters and send it back to the department via email or mail. The required information for registration include name, email, phone number of both business owner and tax representative. Bank account details are required for tax payments, but the application can be processed without them at submission. Additional documents required for legal entities and partnerships include extract from the Chamber of Commerce, articles of incorporation, if applicable, director's valid ID and other business details such as trade name, etc. After registration, you will be assigned a taxpayer category and personal number based on your business structure via email. The final step is to create an account on the BOI portal with the personal number to file, remit and process payments for all taxes, include short-term rental taxes. You can create a BOI account by visiting the BOI portal on the Aruba Tax Department website. Click on Request a BOI account and follow the prompt. The first page you access is the introduction. That provides information about filling an additional form that can be downloaded on the page if you want to authorize another person to act on your behalf. Click Start to put in the details of the authorized personnel or the details of the director such as phone number, email, etc., and the details of the company such as the personal number, legal name, etc., based on what applies. You will be required to create a username and password for your account. Verify your email and log in. Once registered, you'll have access to all necessary lodging tax forms to remain compliant. And that's it. 3 basic steps to legally operate your short-term rental in Aruba. Not sure which taxes to remit? Watch our video on short-term rental laws in Aruba to learn about BBV, BBO and tourist levy taxes. Need help with STR registration, permits or taxes? Lodge Compliance has you covered. Contact us today to stay legal and maximize earnings. Like, share and subscribe or follow for more short-term rental insights.